Okay, this is Creatures for the Commodore 64. Requested by somebody whose name I can't remember, I'll figure it out later. A bit of a classic series of games, I believe, on the Commodore 64. There's a sequel, so it must have been quite good. So you're some little bastard, you got to rescue animals. Don't know to what means you got rescue. I don't know if you're just gonna try to save them, or you just want to take them home and cook them later when you get home, and make a stir fry of them. I don't know. I never could get past that cunt. The graphics are right. Quite colourful. Now I'm used to Spectrum. On the 8-bit I'm used to Spectrum, which not as much colour, but the graphics tended to be more defined rather than... these graphics are quite colourful, they're quite blocky. Now when I reduce the video and upload it to YouTube, they'll look a bit more rounded, a little more smooth, the graphics. But to be fair, they're really blocky. But you know, fucking hell, it's not all that bad. It's a tricky game. Pass that bastard. So, yeah, platforming game. You got 2 hits and then you die. Bollocks. Seems fairly tricky. If you play a game enough, I suppose it's a piece of piss. There you go. Build up the shot. Cursed bastards. Oh, you cunt. What a waste of time that was. Bollocks. Bollocks! Stop shooting at me, you bastard. This is about as far as I can get. I can't be asked at this time of day to put much effort into it, really. Got you shit. Oh, these bastards piss me off. Fuck off! Oh, there you go, 6 out of 10. It's probably a classic game. I don't care because I can't be asked to get any further. It's a bit tricky. Graphics are right, music's pretty funky as you expect from a Commodore 64 game. Yeah, 6 out of 10. If you think it's worth 10 out of 10, you get 10 out of 10, yeah? 3 boots. Not for me, that. Not my sort of cup of tea.